Hello, welcome back to Geometric Virtual Learning. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to form and solve equations relating to perimeter of shapes. So here we have a rectangle and all measurements are in centimeters. We are supposed to find the perimeter of the rectangle. Now the first people will be wondering is we have not been given the total of the perimeter. So how do we work out the perimeter? But there is a clue. The clue is the key word here, rectangle. Properties of rectangle tells you that all sides are equal. So as you can see, x is equal to x. And therefore, this line must be equal to this line. So our first equation to form is 2x plus 5 equals 3x minus 2. That's the first thing you need to understand, because opposite sides are equal. So we start. Before we can decide to work out the total expression and work out for x, or work out x before you put it into the expression. So our actual expression is given as all these adding up. If you simplify, we have our expression as what? 7x plus 3. But we need to know what x is. So to know what our x is, let's work out equation by equating these two. 2x plus 5 equals 3x minus 2, because opposite sides of rectangles are equal. So we solve it. There is 3x on the left and 2x on the right, so we need to group all on the left hand side. So to get rid of 2x is to minus 2x from both sides. When you do that, you're going to have x minus 2 is equal to 5, because this becomes 0. Add 2 to both sides. X will be equal to 7. So knowing that x is equal to 7, we can now substitute x into this expression, 7x plus 3. So we know our perimeter will be 7 times 7, which is 49, then plus 3, which gives us 52 centimeters. So the perimeter of this rectangle is 52 centimeters. So you can choose to work out the equation, then work out the expression for the perimeter, then substitute. Or you work out the expression for the perimeter, then you work out your equation, then you substitute. Whichever way you do doesn't matter. Thanks for watching. We'll be looking at another exam style question involving different area and perimeter of shapes.